Alright, today is going to be another video covering some features that will be coming to the engine, either in 5.1 or 5.2, whenever, sometime in the future that I've seen come to UE5Main. And just to note that some of these may change before they're released. This is just the status as of right now. One big thing that's really nice is they have now added and implemented more warning messages. I just saved this. It's one of the pop-ups on the bottom right. So say you don't have nanite enabled correctly, you would use this, or you would see this. There's a couple other things that you'll see new warning messages for, but this is the easiest one to capture. All right, and then from here, two big changes that I wanted to show. The last video I did on this was the object mixer and stuff. Today we're going to show some improvements to Lumen. Instead of being realistic, they've now exposed some settings to make Lumen more artistically friendly. All right, we're going to find Lumen under global illumination. So here are some things that have been added. If I set this back to normal, they've added something called Skylight Leaking, which is basically allowing the skylight to leak in through walls a little bit. So if we set this to something like 1, you'll notice that we then don't have to have so many fill lights. If we kind of don't want it so dark, we could utilize this. Maybe have a little more realistic level. Included in the skylight leaking is a skylight leak distance. And this is basically an AO control, but you'll notice very subtle changes here. This is more for indirect lighting. This setting is called the diffuse color boost. So I know one issue that a lot of people had with Lumen is that because how the indirect lighting works, you can get some really dark shadows there. So you can use this to brighten that up. So the combo of those two, you're getting a little better results. Like this looks a lot better than a really dark, that might match my style a little more. And that's it. That's all I wanted to cover today. This will be, honestly, I think a really great change when it comes out, which I would expect either 5.1 or 5.2. And maybe we'll get a little more polishing and maybe some other features for this area to add a little bit more artistic control to Lumen. And yeah,